Evens.
Okay.
3 gates.
Good. Oh, okay.
Tip.
86. Okay.
When you get rid of 6,
A boater just started, so I've got to.
Yeah. You don't have paper.
Okay. That's a desperate. Tell me, is it Canada?
Sorry?
Is it Canada?
No.
Okay.
Tip.
One touch. Gate 5.
Well, it might be. If Canada's in tip, yes, I think that.
Oh, okay. Not doing too bad. She's usually when you hit a gate up high, you panic and you try to make up for time.
From Turkey.
Oh.
Traditional Australian Vegemite.
Don't take too many mistakes going around as well.
Oh,
Thanks, Stuart.
that's the best part.
Yep. Thank you. Oh.
Oh.
Thanks, Stuart.
You're good, thanks.
Very good.
Okay, can't withstand.
It's Anzac Day. It's Leenders.
She's running out of oomph.
Come on, girl. Did you get the 50?
No, that wasn't a 50. She's got a good time.
Come on!
Ooh.
Oh,
No, that wasn't a touch.